Hi, I'm Todd Aylesworth, president of Fleet Kleen Pressure Washing and Paver Sealing here in Lakewood Ranch at Town Hall. We recently cleaned this building and have some insights I'd like to share with you today. You'll see we had people on the ground clean the pavers, we cleaned the entire building, and even had a lift here to reach some of the higher areas. I hope you enjoyed seeing Fleet Kleen's capabilities to clean a commercial building. We can do the same for a residential building, your home, where we come clean the roof, clean the pool cage and deck, the house, and seal brick pavers as well. So all the information below on our website, as well as our contact information. And I'd encourage you to look into our capabilities to clean with a drone, where we can clean roofs without ever setting foot on them. Thank you.